Selling seems complicated. So many steps, so many pitches. It can feel overwhelming. Most of this stress comes from overthinking. Complex rules and flashy strategies aren't necessary. Here's the anti-complexity secret. Simplify. Selling doesn't have to be scary. Selling isn't about pitching or impressing. It's about identifying a real problem and solving it. Start small. Solve one tiny, specific problem first. That's where real value begins. When a problem is solved, the results are clear. People notice and appreciate it naturally. Help one person, then another. Slowly, selling grows without forcing it. Keep things simple. One problem, one solution. This is the core principle. Flashy pitches? People ignore them. Solving problems captures attention and builds trust. Calm, focused problem-solving draws people in. They see value without being sold to. Visual clarity works. Showing problem to solution to happiness makes it easy to understand. Solve small problems consistently. Each solution adds momentum and amplifies impact. Repeat the process. Help steadily. Selling becomes effortless when the focus is on assistance. Relax. Your job isn't to push anyone. It's to help, and everything else falls into place. Remember, selling is easy. Solve a problem first, and the rest follows naturally, benefiting both you and others.